Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can save the drawing in the form of SVG. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help this channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So first thing which we have to understand is that what is SVG file. SVG is a stand for the scalable vector graphics, which means that it does not reduce its quality when you zoom it. So to save your drawing into the SVG file, all you have to do is click on this SVG. So once you click on the SVG, you will see the here options SVG as default. Now let's I save it, my SVG file. Now let's open our SVG file, and here is my SVG, and you can open the SVG file in the browser. So you can see that once I zoom this file, it does not lose its quality. So you can easily convert your FreeCAD drawing into the SVG file and send your client for the remarks and the comments. So this is all about very small tutorial on how to convert FreeCAD drawing into the SVG. So this is a very small tutorial. I hope you have liked this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time. So this is how you can easily convert your FreeCAD drawing into the SVG file. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.